HughesNet is proud to announce that it has joined the Affordable Connectivity Program that is launching in early 2022 to replace the Emergency Broadband Benefit Program as a longer-term solution for households struggling to afford internet service. The Affordable Connectivity Program is a federal program that awards eligible households a discount of up to $30 a month toward broadband internet service and up to $75 a month towards broadband internet service on tribal lands. All you have to do to take advantage is check your eligibility in the link listed below. Send in your digital application, and once approved, call us to sign up for HughesNet Gen 5 Internet Service. This program is designed to help out individuals or families in need. Act now, because funds for the Affordable Connectivity Program are limited, and the program will end once funds are depleted. All of the links you need are in the description below, and please feel free to share this video with anyone who could benefit.